Alright, here's this 42-inch. I want to say this is either made by Lightex or Aircool. I mean, I've seen some Aircool huggers like this, but and others say it's possibly a Cool Breeze. Just let me know what it actually is. I mean, I do know the brand, but I'm getting confused on the brand names. And but anyway, it's an antique brass finish. It's reversible, and it is dated of April 1988. So, it's got some little bearing noise or some type of noise when I run on low, and kind of a little bit on high, but you'll figure it out once I turn it on. But before we do that, there's the stencil, which there you go, you can kind of see that. I mean, I do like stencil, but I'm thinking about adding with cane for this, if I find some. And I like the vents, or hugger vents. Always love these 80s huggers. And yeah. So anyway, we'll turn the light on in this situation. So I had to use one bulb, or one light bulb. Okay. Turn it off, and then start the fan on low. And she's got a buzz. Just coming from the motor or something on top. I don't know what's making that noise, but yeah, you can hear that. It's got a really slow low to it. Yeah. So anyway, and here's medium. Got tired of hearing that noise on low. It's not bad air movement on medium. Guess it could be better, but oh well. Okay. And here's high speed. And it does crank out, not intense air, but some decent air. Just show the air movement. I assume this fan probably does need oil. I mean, I can hear that. I can barely hear that buzzing like you hear on low, but yeah. But I do like the looks on these huggers, and the reason why I got this, because I mean, I got this at Habitat. I think it might have been $15 or $10, I can't remember, but that was somewhere around there. But I lived in a house in 2005 through 2007 that had one in the kitchen. At least it's probably still there, I don't know. But it looked exactly like this, especially with stencil. And Oh, sorry, I got distracted from outside. But anyway, it had a 4-light kit and the center globe, but we didn't have a globe for the center globe. But we had the same exact light shades for the light kit. No, this is not the same fan from the house. Like I said, I found a habitat. And, I mean, I really like these fans. I mean, I remember these from my childhood. So, yeah. Anyway, go ahead and power off. Just got a quick spin down. And there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.